Hi everyone, this is Karen Peters with renovatedfaith.com, and this week on the blog I'll be showing you how to spray paint glass, specifically how to paint and tint mason jars. So you start out with a mason jar just like this one. I got it at Target, and there's several different options that you can use. First of all, you can tint your mason jar in this blue to give it more of a vintage look. I also show you in this video and post how to add a rustic touch to the lid. And another great option is adding glitter to clear mason jars. They make great centerpieces for maybe a church event or a shower you have coming up. Also, here's a gold spray painted mason jar with the glitter added. And the post also shows you how to make clear glass into sea glass. This was just a clear jar I got at Walmart, and I'll show you how to spray paint it to make a cute candle holder. And it will be like this permanently. There's no washing off. This is actual spray paint I'm using. Then from time to time in my house, I like to spray paint existing items I already have. This was a clear vase, and I spray painted it white to look a little bit more like milk glass. And this poor bird I spray painted, it was orange, and I wanted it to look more ceramic. And last but not least, this post will also show you how to chalk paint mason jars, but a lot easier than regular chalk paint. This is a chalk paint in spray paint form. And I also go into detail into what sandpaper to use to sand off the letters if you want to add that as well. But this post will give you a lot of great low-cost options for updating mason jars, whether it's for your home or for an event you have coming up. And you can get all the sources on my blog post that is at the end of this video. Thank you.